Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. New latest stylish flower plant, crochet flower plant pots, ideas, and beautiful garden, indoor and outdoor garden, different decoration, home decoration ideas. So I hope you like it. Beautiful, different flower plant pots as a gifting and best and beautiful ideas, flower pots, and I hope you like it. So guys, please keep sharing, watching my video, and see this video till the end. Crocheted flower pots are a creative and decorative way to combine your crochet skills with gardening, and they